What's up, people of the universe? It's me, James, here, and today magre-react tayo sa strong group Athletics versus Lebanon. Beirut, I think this is what they're called. At at lalaban tayo sa Pilipinas. Let's go. We got Rance Abando de Marcus Cousins. Dude, sobrang saya ko nung nang malaman ko na si Cousins ay maglalaro sa Pilipinas, bro. Like, si Makala ata ang pinaka underrated import ng SGA. Sa palagay ko. Pero sa palagay nyo, sino nga ba ang best import ng SGA? In this game so far, I think it's Makala, right? Underrated? Baka. Let's go, PH. Okay. Number 9. Ooh, what a nice layup for number 9. Okay. Who's that? Mikey. Cousins. Midi. Oh, smooth jumper by freaking DeMarcus Cousins. Abando na ankle breaker, yo. What the heck? Abando na ankle breaker ng isang Lebanon player? Damn. But all I can say is like, dude, Cousins, nice fit siya sa Pilipinas kasi like, makakashoot siya ng threes, makakapunta siya sa paint, he can shoot the mid-range, and he's an all-star in the NBA. We got a jam. Who's this? Who's this? Ooh. Kunin yung rebound, guys. Okay. Nice hit. Mikey. Hindi pa nakikita ni Mikey ang kanyang groove, bro. Hindi pa nakikita ni Mikey ang kanyang groove dito sa Pilipinas, bro. Since he left the PBA. Ito yung first time ko makikita ulit si Mikey maglalaro, guys. Like, no doubt. Bang! Here we go. Mikey Williams for 3. Okay, I think si Makolo ata yun, guys. Abando! Woo! Abando, wala na, spin move. Cousins. See? Bang! Ito yung sinasabi ko, guys. Makakashoot siya ng 3-point ball. Ito yung advantage na binibigay niya sa Pilipinas. 3-point ball as a center. Okay. Hey, Lebanon has some good players. See what I mean? Meron silang mga good players. And whoo! And Bando again. Okay, Bando, let's go. More of that, Bando. Bang! Richardson. I'm not familiar. Pero kung meron makakasabi sa akin kung sino si Rob, is that Richardson? Yeah. Kung meron makakasabi kung sino si Richardson, sabihin mo sa comments, please. Nice one. Kuya Dre Blatch. We need to go quick on that, Kuya Dre. Come on. Makala. Bang! L1. See, guys? Underrated. See Chris Makala. He's my favorite import so far here in the Philippines. And second closest Cousins, of course. Dang. What the hell is that jump shot, bro? Look at this jump shot. Parang naglalahag siya, guys. Parang naglalahag siya, like parang naglalahag siya when he shoots. Para siyang si slow-mo, guys. Come on. Ooh, L1. Okay. Lebanon is getting go. Or is it UAE? I think this is UAE. Oh. Kwame! Ito rin ang nagugustuhan ko na kinuha nila si Cousins because kailangan turuan si Kwame para maging quality player. Kung matuturuan ni Cousins si Kwame, bro, he will be a complete player. Nice one. Kwame again. Meron yung Liponso dyan. Like, woo! Nice alley-oop. Nice play. Cousins. May kasama pang foul and one for Cousins. What? What the fuck? Bro, okay. Mikey pass to Ildefonso for 3. Bang, bang. Pilipinas lang ngayon ay stack, ha? Ooh, nice pass. Woo! Nice pass. Oh! Okay. Cousins again. Ildefonso. Bucket for Ildefonso. Ooh, damn. They got shooters on deck. Nice job, Cousins for 3. Bang, bang, Cousins. Woo! Philippines is up by 13 points. Oh, let's go. Okay. Okay, cut down that by 11. Mikey! Need more that, Mikey. Kailangan natin yan, Mikey. Mid-ranges. Mikey. Cousins! Damn. Shout out to the Lebanon, bro. Damn! Whoa, that's a lot. Grabbing dribble moves. The Ledo, bro. Whoa. Nice dribble. Oh, Cousins again. To Kwame. See, guys. Ang ganda talagang fit ni Cousins sa Pilipinas. At tingnan niyo yung pasa ni Kwame, bro. Tingnan niyo yung pasa ni Cousins to Kwame. It's nice. Nice one. Who's that? Robertson? Cousins. That is foul though. That was a crazy. In-ankle break ni Cousins, bro. In-ankle break ni Cousins. Oh my goodness. But he just... Pero hindi niya na-shoot ang 3-point, bro. Highlight. Nice one. Ooh, nice. Ganda pasa, guys. Ash Kwame again. Damn. No doubt. Kwame again. Okay, Kwame. 3. Bang! Bang! Walang biruan dito, guys. Ang galing maglaro na Lebanon, bro. Props to Lebanon. Mikey. Pass to Cousins. 3 and 1. Bang! Bang! Out there. Cousins again. Bro, minamaliit lang ni Cousins ang taga-Lebanon, bro. Minamaliit lang ni Cousins ang taga-Lebanon. Like, ginagawa niyang easy ang kanyang mga buckets, bro. Mikey. Got Alfonso. Bang! Bang! Hindi ako familiar sa laro ni Alfonso, pero so far sa natitingnan ko, ang galing niya, bro. Okay. I saw it. Abando is quiet in this game, huh? Body. Yep. Okay. Props. Okay. Damn, that's a tough finish. Another one. Isa pa nga, sabi ng Lebanon. They cut it by 14. 14 ang lamang, guys. Labing isa na ang lamang, guys. Labing isa na lang ang lamang. 10 na lang, guys. Yo. Kina-comeback pala. Oh, L1 as well for Lebanon, huh? Siyam na lang, guys. Miss. Pito na lang, guys. Pito na lang. Kidding. Cousins. Bang! Bang! That's not gonna happen if Cousins is in this team. Ang galing ng Lebanon, guys. Like, I mean, that is the game. Parang mananalo atang Gilas ay. And that is the game. Parang mananalo atang SGA dito, pero dito magtatapos ang ating reaction. Salamat sa panonood, guys. See you on the next video. Peace.